Hey gorgeous! Welcome to Anita's Favorites. This video is featuring pocket-pleasing fashion styles from Dooney Bourke, Walmart, Target, and IMAN fashions, all for under $100. Yes, that's right, pocket-pleasing fashion style. I love these looks. From the Steve Madden shades at Walmart for only $10 to the IMAN Fashions Kaftan that knocked me out for $39 at HSN. All of the details will be in the description box. I do hope you enjoy while I'm out looking for some items for an upcoming cruise. So please subscribe to my channel, hit a like and share, and stay tuned for more of Anita's Favorites. And thank you so much for hanging out with me today and for watching.